take you through some breaking news coming in at this hour, and not very good news coming in from Kedarnath, where news of a glacier chunk breaking near the Raini village in Joshimath, coming in from the Chamoli district, that has led to the river Alaknanda into a spate. You see the fury over there, wiping away everything that came in its path.
Forced out of their homes by the floods, people are walking miles to safety. The monsoon always brings heavy rainfall to Kerala.
Today, the world is facing a man-made disaster of a global scale, our greatest threat in thousands of years: global warming. If we don't take action, the collapse of our civilizations and the extinction of the natural world is on the horizon. The Earth has shown enough warning for us already through climate change. The message is loud and clear. The clock is ticking. The amount of carbon dioxide and methane in the atmosphere is now 50% higher than it was in 1900. Methane, CH4, is a powerful greenhouse gas emitted by human activities such as household and sewer waste, leakage from natural gas systems, and the rising of livestock, as well as by natural sources such as wastelands. It has a direct influence on climate, but also several indirect effects on human health, crop yields, and the quality and productivity of vegetation through its role as an important precursor to the formation of tropospheric ozone. World generates 2.01 billion tons of municipal solid waste annually, with at least 33% of that not managed in an environmentally safe manner. Plastic production and usage led to the production of several toxic gases and chemicals to the atmosphere, earth, and ocean, thereby entering the food chain to cause a deadly impact on all species. The respirable airborne particulates, especially carbon, polyvinyl chloride, PVC, and styrene, led to occupationally induced hearing loss and chronic effects such as decreased pulmonary function, lung diseases like anthracosis, pneumoconiosis, and even cancer. Fossil fuels and natural gas that power the world and economy now will soon dry out. It's high time we innovate and adopt the use of renewable energy resources. The solid waste that pollute the earth, if recycled sustainably, can be converted to energy sources that can fetch you a fortune. As we cannot sit back and wait for miracles to save us. Miracles don't happen. Sweat happens. Efforts happen. Thought happens. Partnerships happen. Every one of us is responsible and needs to take the action. Addressing climate change is the biggest business opportunity for the foreseeable future, and the transition to the low-carbon economy is unstoppable. Organizations should create sustainable value for consumers by supplying products and services that meet their functional and emotional needs, now and for future generations, while respecting environmental limits and common values. We are on a mission to win over global warming and make this world carbon neutral so that future generations can thrive on this planet. Join the war.